Emerging technologies are quietly transforming the civil engineering industry. Artificial intelligence, automation, and building information modeling are no longer futuristic ideas. They are tools being used every day to design smarter, to build more efficiently, and to manage projects with a level of accuracy that was once impossible. But the true impact of these technologies is not always visible. It is not just about software or data. It is about how they change the way engineers think, how they collaborate, and how projects create value for decades to come. Before we go deeper, I'd love to know what you think. How do you see technologies like AI and BIM reshaping the future of civil engineering? Share your perspective in the comments below. Across the world, design firms face the same pressing challenges. The shortage of skilled engineers has become a global crisis. Firms invest heavily in recruitment and training, only to see employees move on, leaving costly gaps behind. At the same time, quality risks are always present. A single miscalculated line can trigger redesigns, delays, and reputational damage. Add to that the pressure of strict deadlines and workloads that rise and fall unpredictably, and it becomes clear why many firms feel stretched to the limit. Technology offers solutions, but only if it is applied with purpose. A powerful tool without the right process behind it can become a source of complexity rather than clarity. That is why leading organizations are focusing not just on buying software, but on integrating it into complete systems that balance people, processes, and technology. The adoption of BIM is one of the clearest examples. By connecting disciplines in a single model, BIM reduces clashes, improves collaboration, and gives project managers greater control over budgets and timelines. Artificial intelligence is another emerging force. AI can analyze huge amounts of design data, detect risks earlier, and propose optimized solutions faster than traditional methods. Automation, from drafting to data management, frees engineers to focus on higher-value work. Together, these technologies are redefining what is possible in civil engineering. Yet, technology alone is never enough. The hidden impact only emerges when skilled engineers know how to use these tools with precision and responsibility. This is why training, culture, and stability in teams matter just as much as the latest software. AXA Engineers illustrates this balance clearly. Recognized by Autodesk as a global success story, AXA Engineers demonstrates how advanced platforms like Civil 3D can be used not only to deliver accurate drawings, but also to ensure projects meet the toughest international standards. With a culture built on long-term stability and professional growth, AXA Engineers shows how technology becomes more powerful when combined with a motivated, consistent team. For clients, this means less risk, more reliability, and confidence that every detail has been handled with care. One real example highlights this hidden impact. An AXA engineer once found a small inconsistency in a client's CAD file. Instead of treating it as a minor issue, they investigated further, proposed an optimized design, and helped the client cut material costs significantly. That small detail, powered by expertise and technology, created a tangible benefit far greater than expected. This is the real story of emerging technology in civil engineering. It is not about replacing engineers, but empowering them. It is about creating systems where technology supports collaboration, reduces errors, and allows firms to take on more complex projects with confidence. It is about ensuring that infrastructure is not only delivered faster, but built to last and to serve communities better. Looking forward, the firms that will thrive are those that do not see technology as a quick fix, but as a foundation for long-term growth. By investing in both advanced tools and the people who use them, the industry can overcome the challenges of talent shortages, quality risks, and deadline pressures. The hidden impact of emerging technologies lies in this partnership between human expertise and digital power. AXA Engineers is just one example of how this partnership can succeed. By aligning people, processes, and technology, they turn potential risks into opportunities and projects into long-term success stories. In the end, technology does not build great projects on its own. People empowered by technology are the ones who create infrastructure that stands the test of time. That is the hidden impact of emerging tech in civil engineering. So now I'd like to hear from you. What do you believe is the most important impact of emerging technology in civil engineering today? Is it speed, precision, sustainability, or something else entirely? Share your ideas in the comments.